Do you know that having the basic knowledge of computer system is an important factor in this 21st century workplace? Hi, my name is Sandra, and today we'll be talking about the benefits of learning computer appreciation and office management. So, how good are you in operating the computer system and handling Google productivity tools? The benefits of computer appreciation is very vital to job applicants who want to secure a job in any organization, because the knowledge of computer appreciation puts you at an edge over every other candidate applying for the same job as you are. Most office work require the adequate knowledge of Microsoft packages like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google productivity tools like Google Sheets, Google Drive, and a whole lot of others. Here at Maro Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on computer literacy, office management, and productivity training. Trust me when I tell you, we offer practical hands-on training on computer literacy and office management. A trainer will be assigned to you, and you also get to build real-life projects just before you graduate. Amazing, right? Why don't you visit any of our offices today, either at Gwarimpa or Central Area, or simply call the numbers displayed on your screen to get registered. We are in a digital age. Be digitally informed. Bye.